And now we're going to use some of our skills that we learned in my other videos, and I'm sure a million other videos out there, and we're going to figure out the rest of the scale. Should we remember a couple of things? There's a half step between 3 and 4 and 7 and 1, right? Let's just remember that. So this is the 1. Where would our 2 go? We're going to grab a 2 peg. I'm going to say the 2, there's a whole step between 1 and 2, right? Whole step from 1 and 2. That's an easy way to do it. I can look at the 2 and I look at his chart. Yeah, it's an A. Okay, that's easy, right? Okay, now there's going to be a 3. I'm going to grab myself a 3. So the C is underneath the G, right? And because we know the guitar is tuned in fourths, the number underneath here is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. Always underneath the 1, there's going to be a 4. Unless, of course, you cross from G to B. Let's not worry about that right now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Guitar is tuned in fourths. So underneath the 1 is a 4. So we can put a 4 there. What's a 4 mean to you? Well, what's a 4? In the major scale, in the circle of fifth style, we follow the outside set of Roman numerals, and where's the 4? It's a C. C, just like his chart. So we can build that shape by continuing to do that. Well, what's beside the 4? We have a half step list to follow, and that's a 3. Between 3 and 4, half step. Between B and C, half step. Right? Between 7 and 1, half step. That's what's after the 4. We know it's another whole step because it's not part of our half step list. We can get our 5 here. And we can just bounce around learning stuff about a fretboard. The 5 is a D. I can think about how would I find that to be a D. That could be you could fall on the A string, right? You'd open A, and then B, and then C, because B and C, half step list. And then D, well, of course, the D is there, and you look at this diagram, D.